Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra revealed its capabilities. Before the official announcement, the global version of Samsung's new flagship will receive new powerful upgrades. On the other hand, some of the best images of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra have been published. The flagship poses in a new purple color in 360-degree angle. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. No more secrets. Industry sources already fully unpack the future Ultra flagship. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra flagship has appeared on Geekbench, revealing key details of its hardware platform. According to a well-known tech insider, Tarun Vats on X, Galaxy S26 Ultra revealed its capabilities before the announcement. The global version of Samsung's new flagship will receive a Snapdragon. Geekbench confirms that the smartphone with model number SM-S948B is built on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 single-chip system and is equipped with 12 GB of RAM. In synthetic benchmarks, the new device scored 3,601 points in single-threaded mode and 10,686 points in multi-threaded mode. Insider Tarun Vats noted that the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset is used in the international version of the device. Tarun Vats previously confirmed that the One UI 8.0 beta would be released earlier than planned, and revealed the release dates for the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S25. On the other hand, the official unveiling of the Samsung Galaxy S26 series is still a few weeks away, but renowned leaker Evan Blass has published new, high-quality images of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, free of any watermarks. He also posted a video featuring a 360-degree rotation of the smartphone. The new Galaxy S26 Ultra is sporting a new purple color shade. The main camera is clearly visible. It resembles the main camera unit on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The front of the device is dominated by a large, flat display with a narrow bezel. Previously, it was reported that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will not have built-in magnets, but the device will support magnetic wireless charging through accessories and cases. The official debut of the entire Galaxy S26 lineup is expected at the Big Galaxy Unpacked event on February 25, launching with new color palettes, major upgrades, and smart AI features. With sales, according to preliminary data, starting on March 11th. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.